Hello, and thank you for checking out the Edupreneur Academy. I'm Sarah Cordiner, and this is the place to be if you have an online business, are starting an online business, you've got one that you know can be bigger, can be better, can do more. If you need to get tech set up, if you need things to automate, if you need to create products like courses or books or programs, if you are running a business online in any industry, whether you're right at the very beginning or whether you're well established but are really looking to scale, this is the family for you. In here, this is not a place where you're just going to get access to self-study online courses and forget about it, where it's going to collect dust. No. Right? There's a bit more hands-on than that here. What you're basically going to get here is the second you enroll, you actually will get access to well over 40 of my online courses, highly practical, screen sharing, how-to training. You can get started at any time you like. You can watch anything you like, whenever you like, that's in there. There is no drip release content. This is for people who just want to find the thing that they need and off they go. However, there is also a very structured Edupreneur success journey that I walk you all through month by month so that you cannot forget, you cannot get sidetracked, and I will be keeping you all accountable. This is a really active, supportive community. It's full of energy, and we're all learning, growing, working through every single stage of growing and scaling an online business together. So if you look through this page on the Edupreneur page here, you will see that there is a success journey map that you are going to be walked through. Each month we have a group challenge that's part of your membership, and that challenge will walk you through everything from content marketing. Another month it might be digital marketing, another month it might be writing a book, another month it might be creating a course, it might be mastering YouTube. There's a different challenge every single month basically that's aimed to help you grow your business and reach more leads, make a bigger impact in your industry, earn more money. That's the end of the day. We're all here for business, right? Our business has to be profitable and actually have fun along the way. And the reason why I've created a community in this style is because so many of us, particularly since COVID, we've all been working from home, just can get very isolated and very lonely. We've got so much to learn. We've got so much to do. Usually as business owners, we're doing everything. And quite often the people around us just don't quite get it. So you will feel got in this community. Trust me, we are all very, very active every single day, engaged in the secret Facebook groups that are behind each monthly challenge. Now, on top of the monthly challenges that we all go through as a group and keep each other accountable, we also have at least one monthly mastermind as well that will focus on yet another key growth area of business. This could be anything from how to set up a lead page, how to create your membership academy, how to what do we have today? How to run a virtual assistant side of your business, how to actually hire your team. How to do email marketing, a whole range of kind of the techie stuff that you will learn how to do yourself inside this program. So you get access to the self-study courses, you get access to all the monthly challenges, you get access to the live masterminds, all of which are going to help you move forward at the same time as being part of an absolutely wonderful, friendly, supportive, loving, but butt-kicking community of fellow entrepreneurs just like you who are going through the exact same thing. If this sounds like fun for you, it gets even better. This is an absolute bargain monthly subscription. It's just $79 to not only have access to me as your coach all of the time, and the monthly challenges, and the live calls, and over 40 online courses, and the amazing community, but you can also cancel anytime from inside your own dashboard. So we don't lock you in. If you're not happy, you can choose to jump out of the program, out of the academy anytime you like. No questions asked. You do that from your own dashboard, but that's not going to happen. Most people do stick around here for a couple of years because the growth is just substantial, and the fun we have just makes it also worthwhile as well. If you have any questions, don't feel shy to reach out to me, sarah@sarahcordiner.com on my email, and I'll answer happily any questions that you have. There's also a Facebook Messenger chat pop up at the bottom left side of your screen. So if you do want to chat to me on Facebook right now, just send a message there and we will answer your questions as soon as we are free or awake, depending on the time zone. Otherwise, look, thanks for checking it out. I cannot wait to see you in there. I cannot wait to be part of your growth and of your journey, and I'll see you real soon. Bye for now.